Sheander thermostat, 24-volt AC power supply transformer. Honeywell actuator. Terminal 1 is red color wire 24-volt input AC power supply. Terminal number 2 is negative 24-volt input AC power supply. Terminal number 3 is 9 volts DC input power supply from actuator. Red color is positive of 24-volt AC power supply. Black color is negative of 24-volt AC power supply. Yellow color wire is 9 to 10 volt DC power supply of output of thermostat depends on room temperature. Room temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. Now increasing set temperature to 32.5 degrees Celsius. To close the actuator by dropping the 9 volts DC power supply from actuator. Again reducing temperature from 32.5 degrees Celsius to 20.5 degrees Celsius to get 9 volts DC power supply from thermostat to open the actuator.